If you love chicken and pickles, then you are gonna wanna keep watching this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, you all know, if you've been following me, I love pickles. And of course, July is National Pickle Month, so I am bringing to you a ton of pickle recipes. So today we are going to be making pickle crock pot chicken. Yes, pickle crock pot chicken. This one is going to blow your socks off your feet. I have no idea why I said that. I have no clue. Oh my gosh. But anyway, friends, we're gonna make crock pot pickled chicken. So I am going to turn the camera down, go over all the ingredients, and then we're gonna go ahead, jump in, and get started. All right, so I have a pack of chicken thighs, skinless and boneless in the back there. There's about 8 or 9 in that package. I have some ranch seasoning. I have a stick of butter there. Some dill pickles with the juice. It's 24 ounces. 2 packages of the brown gravy mix. Some minced garlic, and I also have some fresh dill there. I had that in the fridge from another dish I made, and it's starting to get a little limp, so I'm going to toss that in there as well. So that is all the ingredients, my friends. I am going to serve this over some of the extra wide pasta noodles. You can serve it over mashed potatoes if you want, or rice. Again, I'm just doing the wide noodles. So let me stop talking and let's get this dish put together. So I told you, simple ingredients. This is going to be a quick and easy one. This is great for a day when you have a lot going on and you don't have time, to stand up and cook. You can just dump all this in the crock pot. So I'm gonna go ahead, open up the chicken, get it washed up, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started. So let me get this clean real quick and we'll get this put together. All right, my friends, I'm just gonna spray the sides a little bit, just in case my chicken sticks. Okay. I have 10 chicken thighs here. Use about 8 to 10. You don't wanna do less or more really, because then the flavors are going to be off unless you want to increase the ingredients. But 8 to 10 is perfect. So we're going to go ahead and get them in there. Make sure you wash those hands after you put all this in there if you're using your hands. And then we'll go ahead and put our ingredients on top of that. All right, my friends, so I dumped out 2 ounces of ranch dry seasoning. I buy the big containers at Costco. So if you're gonna use it in the little packets, you just wanna make sure you have 2. I think they're one ounce packages, but I could be wrong. So just get 2 pounds, or 2 pounds, 2 packages. We're gonna sprinkle that out through our chicken. Then I'm gonna go ahead. Actually, what am I saying? I'm going to put in my 1 packet of the brown gravy, not both, just 1 right now. We're going to sprinkle that on top, just like that. Okay, and now I'm going to dump in my pickle juice. I think I said this, 24 ounces. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and slice them in half and throw those in there. I don't think I'm going to need all of these because they're pretty big. Okay. I think I'll save the 2 largest ones for me to eat. And I guess me holding this and cutting it in half is not a good idea. So friends, don't do this at home. Use a cutting board. I think we'll do one more. Okay, I think I'm going to cut this one in quarters because it is a little bit larger. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, I am setting a very bad example right now, aren't I? All right, and I'm gonna save those two big ones for me to eat because I love them. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and add in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and I am just spreading that around instead of just plopping it in because I like to. Okay. Yes, I know I'm a messy cook. We have established that a long time ago. Then I'm going to take butter. We need 4 tablespoons of butter, so half a stick. And we're just going to cut that in little, what are they called? What are they called? Butter pats? Is that what that's called when you slice it up? Are they called butter pats? Is that called a butter pat? Let me know. I think it is, but I could be wrong. Let me know down below if I am saying that right. But God only knows. Sometimes I make my own stuff up. I don't know where I get things sometimes. Oops. Alrighty. And then, like I said, I had some fresh dill from another dish that I made, and it really needs to get used up. So I am just putting that in there. You don't have to do this, but I know it's gonna just add to it. So there we go. All right, my friends, it is that simple. Is that crazy how quickly that went together? So let's go ahead. I'm gonna clean up around me, wash my hands really good, get the lid on, and then we'll go ahead and get it set. All right, my friends, so we're gonna go ahead, put the lid on. Now we do have our other pack of brown gravy. This is gonna go in probably about 10 minutes before we're ready to serve it. We're gonna put it on top when everything is done and then mix it in just to thicken up the sauce. So just keep that aside. So let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on. All right, we are going to put this on low. I think I'm going to do about 5 hours. You want to cook it between 4 to 6 hours. I'm going to go with 5 and then check it at that point. We should be done because there's no bones in there. I think we'll be good about it 5 hours. So let it cook between 4 to 6 hours and then dinner will almost be ready. So I'll check back when it's done. All right, my friends, I had to run to pick up my husband's car with him from the shop. So this has been finished and it's on warm. Oh, look at that. Now, you can go ahead and shred the chicken if you want. I am not going to do that. I am just stirring it right now. I have not added the extra pack of gravy yet. Like I said, they called and said my husband's car was ready, so we went and picked it up. So this has just been on warm. So I'm gonna go ahead now and add in this pack of gravy. I have my water boiling because I'm gonna put this over noodles. So I'm gonna add this in now. And then by the time my noodles are done, we can have this ready. I'm going to stir this really well. And this will thicken it up a tad bit. Go. All right, I'm going to put the lid back on. And then we're going to let it go for about 15 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead and do a quick taste test. All right, let's see. My noodles are done. I have them over there draining now. It smells very pickly. Oh, just splashed it on me. The chicken definitely falls apart. Look at that. Yeah, see? It smells pretty good, friends. And you know, this is very similar to the piece of beef that you put in with pepperoncinis and pepperoni juice. It's pretty much the same recipe, very close to it. So let's go ahead, plate this up, and we will do a taste test. All right, my friends, I am sweating like crazy because I've been cleaning too, but here it is. Yum. Let's go ahead and give it a taste test. Let's give it a taste test. Mmm. Ooh, chicken is extremely tender. It's very different. You didn't see that. You can taste the pickles. Mmm. Friends, that is really good. Wow, I'm trying to, I can't even come up with a description what it tastes like to give you an idea. I taste the pickles 100%, but it actually works well together. You gotta be a pickle lover, I think, definitely to enjoy this dish, but I really, really like it a lot. Yeah, I'll be making that more often for my lunch. I know I'm gonna say hubby and my son are not gonna like it. I will ask them to try it and give me their honest opinion, but I have a funny feeling it's gonna be like, so I'm gonna put it up on the bottom of the screen and let you know what they say if I can talk them into trying it, because I know they're gonna be like, no, no. But we'll see. But you know, my pickle lovers, you know who you are. If you like pickles, you're gonna like this dish. So friends, that'll do it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you, excuse me, my ring light is acting up. Oh, not sure. There we go. It's acting up. So friends, that'll do it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. So friends, also check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I will see you very shortly. Bye.